Speaking of Vice President Leni Robredo, do you have any plans na bigyan na nga siya talaga ng cabinet post or any plan for her?
Is that a question or a suggestion?
No, sir. A question, sir.
A question. Okay, I'll satisfy everybody because that is the question that everybody, every media that I get to meet, especially up and close personal, they always say, anong ibigay mo kay Leni? Now, are you a friend of Leni? Well, do you have a way of communicating with Leni Robredo, the Vice President? Can you call her now? Right ito.
No, sir. Nababasa ko lang, sir, na she expressed her desire to have a cabinet post and to join with your...
Do you have the number of Leni? Call her. Because I will tell her what you're asking me always. Gabi. Gusto rin ba tanong? Tapos nga na yun. Oh, you listen. Ma'am Leni.
Nagpag-
Ayun.